Alright guys, so today we're going to do section 3.5, write and graph equations of lines. Go into Schoology and print out this handout if you can. If not, write these notes down nice and neat in your notebooks. Alright, I'm going to go through these with you and then we're going to do some problems at the end and we will finish this in class next time. Alright, slope and linear equations recap. So in the last couple sections, given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. The slope of that line is this one right here. Alright, it should be in your notes already. Right, vertical lines have undefined slopes. Alright, undefined. Undefined slopes. They have equations like x equals a number, x equals 3. In general, it would be x equals a number. Alright, horizontal slopes have slope of 0. When you solve your equation, you get 0 over a number. They have equations like y equals a number, where y equals -6 being an example. Our 2 postulates about parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite sign and reciprocal slopes. So an example of that would be 2 and -1/2. Flip and negate. In this section here, slope-intercept form. I'm just making notes right now. Alright, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. M is our slope. This is new, so make sure you're writing this down. And b is our y-intercept. Where it crosses the y-axis is 0, comma, b. And xy is any point on that line. The steps for writing an equation in slope-intercept form. Write these 4 steps down here. Hit pause and write all of that down, please. Alright, number 1, let's start slow. The slope is -3 and y-intercept of 0, -7. So y equals mx plus b. Our slope is m. And our y-intercept is -7, so that is our b. And your equation will always leave x and y. So that would be the final answer for your equation on the line that has slope -3 and y-intercept of -7. Number 2, a vertical line. Go back up to the top. It said vertical line have equations like x equals a number. So if we want a vertical line through the point 2, -8, we only need x value. Because we only need x. So our answer is going to be x equals 2. So the vertical line that goes through the value 2. Horizontal line. We only need the y value. So that's going to be y equals 2. All right, number 4. Our slope is -3/4, and we're going through the point 8, -4. We're going to need to plug this into our equation. x is 8, and our y is negative 4. So we're going to solve this equation for b. We need to put 8 over 1. Solving that now, 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Add 6 to both sides. B equals 2. So we need our slope and we need b to get our equation. So y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. Final answer. All right, number 5, undefined slope. Go back up to the top. What does it mean to have an undefined slope? If you check, it is vertical line. The vertical line is x equals the x number, so x equals negative 5. Number 6, parallel. So we want the line parallel to y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6. And parallel means equal slope. So the m we want is negative 1/2. Our point is negative 2, 0. So y equals mx plus b. M is negative 1/2. Our x is negative 2. Our y is 0. So we're going to solve this for b. So negative 1/2 times negative 2 is 1. Subtract 1, so b equals negative 1. So our final answer will be y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. All right, we are going to stop there. Any questions?